Hello, welcome to this short video. I want to take you through some very important hip stretches. These are for the hamstrings, adductors, quadriceps and psoas. And we'll also go through a little bit of strengthening work for those who want to add a few isometrics at the end. These muscles are very important for the functioning of the lower back because the muscles attach to the pelvis and the pelvis affects the lower back and then the rest of your spine. Also, these muscles are the nerve supply come and are associated with the pelvic organs. So anyone with any ovary or uterus or bladder or bowel issue, it's good to stretch these out and to help your pelvis. So the first one is very easy. I use about a 3 meter length rope. If you can't get one, we do have them at the clinic. And first up, we dorsiflex the foot, pull the toes right up to you, and you bring the foot up and give it a good stretch. Now, not so much you're hurting yourself, but it's got to be a little bit of a nice hurt. And we stretch it there for maybe 30 to 60 seconds. Then we go at a slight angle towards the opposite shoulder. The tip of this shoulder, that foot goes up towards that. And give it a nice stretch for 15 seconds, say. To stretch down here and get a little bit more on the buttocks. Then we just reach across and then bring the foot across like this and up and across, just to get a different angle on the stretch. Maybe 10 to 15 seconds. Keeping the knee as straight as you can. Try not to bend the knee too much. Then lower the hip down like that, but then draw it along the plane of the floor up towards the head. And this stretch opens the pelvis at the front and also stretches the adductors and really helps the hip joint. Then we turn onto our side, keep it around that foot. We bring both arms right up behind and we pull up and back. Now the trick here is that the knee isn't coming forwards, it's got to come up and back to stretch like that. And it makes a really good stretch. And then at the end, just drop your leg down towards the ground to give that a stretch. Of course, we do both legs. And when we want to do some isometrics, we want to strengthen. When you stretch, you can then push your foot against the rope in the opposite direction, as hard as you like, or as gentle as you like, for as long or short as you like. So we might do it for a few seconds, and then relax and give it another little stretch. And each of these you can do a little isometric contraction to tone and strengthen all the muscle groups. Same here, push the leg that way, contract and relax. And this one, on your side here, pull it up, and here, I'm going to push my leg that way, but the rope's not letting me. Contract and relax, and contract and relax. Good. And there are those stretches and strengthening. Thank you.